वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। हमारे आज के दिन की शुरुआत गाड़ी की सफाई के साथ। गाड़ी इतनी गंदी हो गई थी, आई थॉट इट विल बी फेयर इनफ टू गेट इट क्लीन लिटिल बिट। करवा के तब आगे चलने में फीलिंग सही रहेगी। गंदी गाड़ी में ऐसे भी मज़ा नहीं आता। जस्ट स्टॉप्ड एट दिस जालान कार वॉश सर्विस। आई गेस इट इज़ जालान ओनली। 300 rupees for interior exterior wash, fair enough. For Bangalore, very easy, very cheap. Just this one and then we will be off to the road. Gujarat street foods are on. We are not able to move out of Rajkot since morning.
And finally we found it. Patra also she found.
See, Lakshmi Narayan temple. लक्ष्मी नारायण ना स्वामी नारायण?
स्वामी नारायण।
फाइनली हमारा राजकोट से एग्जिट अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है। अब आज की इटनरी हमारी डिसाइड हुई है सूरत। सूरत जाएंगे, रुकेंगे वहाँ पे और फिर आगे का प्लान बनाया जाएगा कि किधर जाएंगे हम। ये राजकोट की ट्रैफिक दोपहर 2:15 बजे की। शहर वैसे अच्छी है, लेकिन सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि एक भी चौक चौराहे पे मामा जी नहीं है, जिसकी वजह से लोग अपने हिसाब से ट्रैफिक मेंटेन कर रहे हैं। तो जहाँ भी सर्कल होता है वहाँ पे सर्कल होके ट्रैफिक हो जाता है। तो इट टेक्स ऑलमोस्ट 1 से 2 मिनट की यू विल गेट क्लियर्ड आउट ऑफ इट। बट ये है राजकोट का
बस पोर्ट,
GSRTC बस पोर्ट। नाइस इट इज,
big one,
big actually, good and well maintained,
and lot of shopping complex.
Around the bus stop there is a shopping complex. Nice it is. अब लग गई है जोरों की भूख। हमने ब्रेकफास्ट तो एस्केप कर लिया क्योंकि एक दोस्त का ब्रेकफास्ट जॉइंट है यहाँ पे, साउथ इंडियन स्टाइल का, सिंपली साउथ। और सभी लोगों ने दिल से पसंद तो किया है, वैसे खाना अच्छा ही था। अब आगे एक अच्छे से ढाबे में कल रात की तरह का खाना मिल जाए तो कहना ही क्या। बट हर किसी को चाहत के हिसाब से नहीं मिलती है चीज़ें, इसीलिए हम करेंगे इंतज़ार और देखेंगे कौन सा खाने का जगह मिलता है। तब तक के लिए आप कीजिए इंतज़ार। समथिंग दैट नेवर फॉल्स शॉर्ट इज different type of temples over here actually, quite a few of them, nice build-ups, nice elevation. See one more temple, looks so grand that side. There's so many dumb people on the road. This car, Honda Civic car, they have just thrown some 2-3 bottles on the road only, plastic bottle, using the water bottle and Bisleri bottle, just throwing on the road. Senseless, utter waste. Their number should be blacklisted actually. There appears to be a temple on that hilltop. You can see it written as Ma. It might be something Ambe Mata, Durga Mata temple. So after one scrumptious lunch
Around 4
o'clock.
4 o'clock.
We are back on the road to सूरत। 4 बजे के करीब अच्छा खासा भारी भरकम लंच करने के बाद हम निकल गए किस तरफ? सूरत की तरफ, क्योंकि रूल यही कहता है जितने खूबसूरत लोग हैं खाना खाने के बाद सूरत जाना चाहिए। मौसम थोड़ा सा ग्लूमी सा हो गया है, बारिश हो गई ऐसा लग रहा है। स्टमक फुल लबालब हो रखा है, इतना ज़्यादा खाना खा लिया, थोड़ा लेट होने की वजह से ज़्यादा खा लिया।
पनीर here is so good, no? पनीर
अगर आप गुजरात में खाते हो कायदे से, they will write it on the menu also that how many grams they are giving you, and then they'll give you sufficiently. You will never have complaints. और खाना भी अच्छा है। कल से अभी तक और पहले भी जैसे हम खोज रहे थे वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट टाइप की सब्जियां, जैसे काठियावाड़ी स्टाइल, we have started developing liking for that style now. कल रात खाया, आज बेसिक मूंग दाल का मसाला था, but that was so tasty. tasty and yum, and with dal tadka we ended up eating more. So good food, heavy food. बट सो नहीं सकते क्योंकि अभी और 5 घंटे की जर्नी बाकी है सूरत के लिए. तो वापस ऑन द रोड से याद है, रोड तो काफ़ी अच्छी है बट अचानक से सरप्राइज़ देने के लिए आपको हम या फिर टूटे फूटे गड्ढे से मिलेंगे वैसे वाले. यू कैन नॉट क्रूज, यू कैन गो इन स्पीड बट speed which you can maintain to take a break when all of a sudden broken road comes. But still 8 out of 10. किसी ने मांगा नहीं रेटिंग बट मैं फिर भी बांट रहा हूँ. सीरियस डूम अचानक से. वैसे हम NH 47 पे हैं और ये हम बाईपास करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जो हमने फेरी ली थी सूरत से सोमनाथ जाते वक्त. उसे
हजीरा से
जो घोघा हम गए थे थ्रू फेरी. दिस इज द अल्टरनेट रूट विच इज ऑलमोस्ट 4 hours longer than the ferry thing. अभी हम राजकोट अहमदाबाद रूट पे हैं. Got any toll, no? Have we? Not yet. Maybe this road they have collected all the charges, so they don't want any more tolls. They're satisfied, saturated, content.
They don't want to maintain.
They are not maintaining anyways.
Anyways.
Another 4.5 hours, 265 kilometers. Good, but that once in a while broken road patches, no, those fun killers actually, because we'll be going good, all of a sudden broken road will be there. Ek dhamaka. It's like this is the Ahmedabad Vadodara road. Yes, but we have to completely leave Ahmedabad and be tangent to Vadodara and go towards Surat town. That's it. 10 would have been great if we were able to make it by 8:30 or something, but that's way beyond correction. Surprisingly, second toll of the day at 6:45. In a while that we got a toll. Such a smart traffic police. What they do, they are standing on the other side checking the vehicle numbers for any fine and then they are stopping, because vehicles anyways have to stop at toll. So thoughtful of them. Well, casual, all the toll staffs are casual. That's the benefit of FASTag. They know that it will anyways get swiped and charged. Exact 200 kilometers left for us now. Cruising through Gujarat's vegetation and mixed kind of road basically. Once in a while broken road, but otherwise fine. It's like and the climate. Afternoon it was so hot. We were roaming around in Rajkot, right? That time it was very hot. Now it has become kind of better. And 7 o'clock, it's like as if it is just 4:30, 5 o'clock. You'll feel like having tea, but you'll feel it is very early to have tea. Such is our situation. So we have thought around 7:30 we'll cover some 20-30 kilometers by then. We'll be left with some 150-60 to the stay. So that's about it as of now. Cows are getting started. Then so that national highway we entered, no, that toll immediately on that, and this reminds us of some heavy toll in Kunigal Road or in Hosur Road or something like that. The way it is blocked now. Maybe this is one of the what do you call?
Kunikal or Hosur while entering Bangalore.
This is one of India will never improve.
Number illa.
Number nilva.
It doesn't have number. Yaro super from there no idea. How he will pass the toll without number?
Fast tag request alva.
But why he will go without number?
Loafers so. So yeah, lane, jumping lanes.
With 1 minute they're going to make a difference.
It makes difference for everyone. That's fine. Yeah, so one of the busy tolls which we saw through the trips actually.
Yeah, in these many days.
Otherwise everywhere we were just crossing through. I was not carrying my jinx also. But then yeah, it's like
There is number displayed.
fast I would have got recovered. Only the number plate would have been missing.
Nobody will catch him.
They should front might be their number. It would have broken number pad or something like that. 7:10 it is. See the brightness outside. Doesn't feel like evening. Deviation for Vadodara or Mumbai. If you are going Vadodara, you can go with this. This is the place which is a deviation for us, basically Vadodara or Mumbai. If you are going to Vadodara, you have to go straight. If you are going to Mumbai, you have to go left. Where is that left? Okay, left andre. Okay, Mumbai we have to take the left Clover. Half an hour, half a kilometer there is that Clover leaf. Yes. So we'll take and then we will start our descent from Gujarat then in that case. I was confused that Vadodara deviation is over, which is not yet. I guess it is getting over now. Become little darker, lesser of a capture. Let's see how much more we can
It's
capture.
around 7:15, huh?
7:15 and still now it's getting dark a little bit.
Maybe 7:30, 7:40.
What is this? Just now we had a toll booth, right? Again another toll booth.
Not even 5 minutes.
Connecting road is out there.
No, this is new toll road towards this one, Mumbai. No,
But we just paid.
you paid for that road, which goes towards Vadodara.
Then we have to pay again.
You have to pay again. This is for this toll. Oi, to go up. Nice, a very nicely laid expressway actually.
8 lane.
8-lane expressway, and good thing is at least they have given some scope to vehicles to drive. Speed limit is 120 kilometers per hour. It's good. And it
How much
goes
is it in Hyderabad? ORR?
100. This one has 120. And like this, if you have to go to Mumbai from Surat, consistent speed is better than 120, 120 and then 80. It's fun to drive. Boring also actually to drive. You just have to keep sitting holding. But yeah, smooth though. Good. In another 1 kilometer, we are exiting this Delhi
Mumbai.
Expressway. Delhi Mumbai Expressway, and we will have maybe another what do you call highway to Surat, which is another 50 kilometers daily.
But once in lifetime we'll do Delhi Mumbai.
Delhi Mumbai. We did almost a portion of it, no? This is the exit. Okay. Surat is NH 48. And now we will get to know whether this highway falls in Rajmarg or not, because we will take an exit now. That highway is super cool. Good highway. Enjoyed. Thing is that there are some constructions on the highway. The road broken, but still. Whenever this ADAS kicks in, no, it pulls the steering like with full power. Okay, hopefully the last toll of the day, because we have 49 kilometers pending. Let's see. We thought the last toll is the final toll for the day, but appears that the tolls still have some affection to us. Okay,
There's no collection.
This does not appear to be an operational toll. Okay, ghosted.
So functional toll was the previous one.
This one ghosted us actually. Love the way eateries and all are there in Maharashtra,
It's
in
all
Gujarat. All grand way they will make it.
Yes, nothing is small.
50% of the eateries look like jewelry shop actually.
Correct.
And go looking for breakfast there, you will never find them open. It's only lunch and dinner which they believe in.
Yeah, all the hotels are big.
Big actually, big signages. Good, that means people are more outgoing. Not like me, Zomato, Swiggy ordering. We're getting some river now in front. No? Hopefully this one should be the last tool for the day. I know I have been telling it for a while now.
So the last 50 minutes.
आज ही हमने गाड़ी धुलवाई थी क्योंकि गंदी लग रही थी गाड़ी. फिर से बारिश हो गई, गाड़ी एकदम चकाचक गंदी हो गई है. Told you looking so good now, washed off completely. Kulja Sim, please Kulja Sim fast.
It will, because it's rained, right? Hopefully everything is,
Clean.
but doesn't
Oh,
look
how
okay.
Sim is quick. Okay, ये तो होना चाहिए for sure last toll of the day. Let's see, 23 more kilometers are there. पहुँच के Okay, we are very much close to our stay, and on the left
Very
is
close to airport also.
left is airport. But look at that building, so nice.
Very pretty.
Some hotel, I guess. The
Montesa by Rajnish.
Nice it is. Oh, the building ನೋಡಿ ship ತರ ಇದೆ.
No, it looks like a complex because down shops are there, Padniyas and
It has been such an amazing trip. दोनों ज्योतिर्लिंगा पे दर्शन बहुत शांत रहे. And then today got to meet someone after a while only because of this road trip. Let's see how rest of the trip unfolds. Good night.